Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making panna cotta, and this simply means cooked cream. It lends itself well to a whole host of flavors, anything from chocolate, espresso, lemon, vanilla, you name it, it'll work here. And what I'm going to be doing with mine is a simple rhubarb compote. I really like that tangy sweetness the rhubarb gives, along with the subtle vanilla flavor of the panna cotta. So we'll get things underway right away. And as always, I hope if you enjoy this video that you'll give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Cut the rhubarb into about 1 inch thick logs and drop into a roasting tin. And I just want a bit of sugar, not an awful lot, 50 to 75 grams depending on how tart the rhubarb is. The zest of 1 orange. And then squeeze over the juice of half an orange. Let's get that a little mixed together. And spread out into an even layer. Just cover this with foil, and then this is going to go into a 170-degree oven for about 45 minutes, just until really soft and tender and the juices have gone nice and pink and syrupy. I can now get on with the panna cotta part. And for this, first off, I need a couple of sheets of gelatin. This is what helps it set and turns it jelly-like. So just pop them into a bowl of cold water, submerge them. I want 400 mils of double cream, and then 100 mils of full-fat milk. Not an awful lot, but it just helps with so that it's not too rich and heavy. I like a panna cotta to really have a lightness to it as well. And I want 75 grams of caster sugar. Split a vanilla pod, and then using our knife just scrape along that to get out all those seeds and into the pan with those. I'm of course going to drop the vanilla pod in as well to add its flavor. And on with the heat. What is very important here is that you don't allow this to boil. As soon as you start to see some steam and bubbles coming up around the side, we can switch off the heat. That is it. There's steam coming from my pan of milk and cream, so the vanilla has infused. I don't know if you can see how it is now dotted with all these tiny little seeds from the vanilla. So off with the heat. Now time to retrieve the gelatin, and you can see it's now become very soft and squidgy. It's like what I imagine the consistency of a jellyfish is. Just squeeze that out and drop it into the pan. It's important that your heat is off. You do not want the gelatin to boil. And we're just going to stir that for a few moments, just until it's completely dissolved into the pan of hot cream and milk. We can remove our vanilla bean now. Don't throw this away. This can go into a jar of sugar once dried, and then I'll have vanilla sugar. Just to help with pouring, I'm going to pour this back into the jug. I'm going to do 2 of my panna cottas in glasses just to show you one form of serving it, and the other in the more traditional manner in a mold so that I can turn it out. Let's just pour to come up about halfway. And that is it for this stage. These just go into the fridge now for at least 4 hours or overnight. And once they come out, they'll be set and I'll show you how to turn them out.
I've been thinking about you. You made me feel so safe right when you told me you were mine. But I'm too late, I can't undo my
My
mistake.
panna cottas have set now and I'm going to show you how to unmold okay. So it's very simple. I just have some boiling water here and my set ones I'm just going to dip in for 3 to 4 seconds just to loosen it, then onto a plate, flip it over, pop it on a plate, flip it over, and there we have it. Spoon over some of the rhubarb, letting it run down the side. How good does that look? Time to eat. My favourite part. And can you see there just how wobbly that panna cotta is? It's absolutely perfect. You don't want to use too much gelatin and have it too firm. Can't wait for this. And it's incredibly good. I hope you have enjoyed this video and that you'll give this recipe a go. And until next time, have a good one. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and also to subscribe and turn on that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. See you next time.